Everyone talks about savings in your 20s and 30s. Mom, dad, chitapa, chitti, tata, party, anna, anni, everyone and everybody talks about savings. Something that you've experienced, right? Yes, me too, and same blood, I guess. Savings is easily one of the most overrated words in today's century. You have tons and tons of quotes, videos, Instagram channels, movies and articles that come about saving. Save and get rich, save to retire early, save to do this, save to buy assets, save to be financially stable, save for financial freedom. I'm not saying they are incorrect, no, I'm not saying that, but everyone misses one critical element, and that is what this video is going to be all about. Hang on. Now, if you don't want to save, just skip this video and go do whatever you usually do, right? Watch Big Boss or do whatever. But if you do want to save, if you do want to build assets, if you do want to be wealthy someday, you will definitely encounter this situation. And guess what is that situation? Just guess. That you don't have enough money to save. And then what's the point in getting all the advice about savings, right? Yes, and in my experience, there are 3 reasons why people don't have enough money to save, and maybe one of the reasons is also applicable to you. The first reason is that you don't have income levels that support optimal savings. Now just consider you are in your 20s, okay, just out of college, or maybe 3-4 years out of college. You've just joined a job and you've started working and earning. You have your family's responsibility upon you. You have to take care of your family, and you have to spend for all the things that are required in the family. And you also have to think about your future, right? Someday you need to buy a home or buy a land and build a home. Maybe you want to also get married and have a good future. So for all of this, you definitely need money. And we have just started. I told you are the one who are taking care of your family. You start earning about 25,000 rupees a month, for example. For all the deductions, you have about 22,900, and then you have all of this expenditure, and after all the expenses, you are just left with rupees 650. And with this 650 rupees, however you save, you will not be able to buy a home or a land and build a home. Forget it in the next 5 years. Maybe you may not even be able to buy a good mobile in the next 1 or 2 years, right? So here there is no point in talking or thinking or worrying rather about savings. You have to focus on how you can be indispensable to your company. You need to focus how you can get that promotion quickly, how you can earn quickly, how you can develop your career over the next 2-3 years, and start having optimal income levels that will allow you to save. So here your focus has to be on career development, developing skills and competencies that will help you get promoted, or that will help you increase your income, rather than thinking or worrying about savings. This reason number 2 is the most common, that we don't budget our finances properly. One evening a couple of months back, I got a call from my brother. He is an IT professional, working in a good company in a foreign country, and he earns in dollars. Now this fellow, he called and he told me, Dada, I am not able to save money. At the end of the month, I don't know where all my money is going. Despite earning so much, and I have my marriage in the next 1 year, and I also want to buy a home to plan for all of that. So he desperately wanted to start saving. I suggested him a rather aggressive approach because the time frame was only 1 year. So I told him, you keep only your fixed monthly expenses and about 10 to 15% in your bank account, and move all the remaining money into another account. This account should not have a debit card, should not have internet banking. It should be virtually untouchable. And surprisingly, he listened to my advice. And today he has a significant sum, and he is on his way to buy a home shortly. In such cases, you need to match money with your priorities. Budgeting is also a good start. Did you know that 83% of people who undertake budgeting are able to save a lot more? Interesting statistics. The third reason, my friends, is that we have too many loans. Absolutely right. If you have too many loans, you pay too much of EMIs, then you are not left with enough money to save for your future goals. Now you may ask, okay, how do we live in today's world without EMIs? Absolutely, I completely understand it's quite next to impossible to live in today's world without EMIs. But did you realize that most of our EMIs are bad EMIs and only few ones are the good EMIs? Having good EMIs is okay, but having bad EMIs is not. And I have done a detailed video about good EMI versus bad EMIs and how to identify which one is good and which one is bad and how to overcome them. I think it should come right up here. You should definitely look at it if you want to come out of this rut. And when I say that, this is how the title of this video is relevant, the real reason revealed. We will definitely encounter this "I don't have money to save" element. Now, you will have to focus on career development and how to increase your income so you don't have the income problem. You will have to set your priorities right so you don't have a budget problem. And finally, you have to consciously choose between good and bad EMIs so that you don't have the too many loans problem. Friends, before we go, February 1st is the date when the budget is released and a lot of income tax updates will come up. Then we are planning to do a special episode on February 1st. Do hit subscribe button so that you don't miss our special episode. While I spoke about 3 problems, do you think you have something other than what I have mentioned, or do you have a request on what I should make a video about? Do put them down in the comments below and I will definitely consider for our future videos. Friends, you have a nice day. This is Akash, the host of this channel, signing off. Tata, bye-bye, and see you in the next one.